Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a traveller's notebook insert that I've made. This is using the new Charming Fragments Part 2, it says it on there, from Tsunami Rose, and I will link that below. Beautiful kit. There is the normal size journal, there is the traveller's notebook size journal, and there's loads and loads of pages. It's a very large kit. So I have both of the kits, and I chose to use the traveller's notebook first. So it's a cardstock cover. I've sewn on the thicker cardstock onto the back of this patterned cardstock. We've got a few layers of laces on here. There's 3 layers here. You get some like front plates, I would call them. You put them on the front of your journal. I think there's a blank one and then there's just a circle one. So I glued that on there. Then there is this little seam binding bow and a little bead dangle. There is bead dangles on the edges here. There's a bead dangle down the bottom. And we will go inside. It's a nice chunky one. So on the inside cover we have some crocheted trim, a tag and some ephemera. Some of the ephemera is not from the kit, but it is from Tsunami Rose. Got a pocket here, whoops, a diddly, a pocket here from the kit, journaling card, a tag and some more ephemera from Tsunami Rose. Bead dangle. Lovely pages. This isn't from the kit, but it is from Tsunami Rose. That's from the kit. So it's all from Tsunami Rose except this. Pages to journal, lots of pages to journal. Here we've got a little pocket. This was a page, and I used some of the pages and cut them down and made pockets. And there's some trim on here, a tag, a little journaling card, and this is a little envelope with a journaling card inside there. It's pretty. A doily, a paper bag, some edge punching, lined paper, little pocket there I've made from one of the pages, some ephemera that doesn't want to go back in. I do struggle to put these larger pieces back in. Journaling card and another journaling card, and we've got that nice little bit of trim there. This is from Tsunami Rose as well, but not from the Charming Fragments 2. That's just paper clipped on, so that flips out. Another bead dangle. Is that 2 pages? Nope. Another page that I've used, cut it in half and created a pocket. So we have some ephemera. And that's a little pocket with a tag in there. I've just put some of this little tiny rosette trim on there. Journaling card. The bead dangle in the middle. There's a pocket there and it's got a little bit of lace there, so it's another little pocket. And this is a little envelope again with a little journaling card inside there. Pops in there. Some more ephemera, another journaling card, and that. Here is some envelopes from Tsunami Rose, and what I done was I chopped off the side pieces and just made them into little booklets. So it just pops in there like that. And we have a page that's stuck together. Oh, it just oozes out. There we go. A little bit of dainty trim along there. And a bead dangle. Journaling card just paper clipped on. Another pocket with this fluffy trim down here. A tag. Oops. Journaling card and a little pocket with a tag. paper bag, a doily. This was a page and I just cut that part down to make a tuck. That's from the kit. So you can do lots of things other than just use the pages for pages. These would be very good to do like a full Franken page. Is that what it's called, Franken pages? Because you could just sew around all these bits and it would actually look like Franken pages. Journaling card, just paper clipped on. Another little journaling card. Little pocket here with another one of these envelopes with the little booklets in it. Bead dangle, squared paper, oops, and a pocket with a journaling card from the tag, a journaling card from the tag, a journaling card from the kit. I'm trying to rush doing this because my grandson's due any minute and I won't have a chance to do this because he's very demanding. So we've got some crocheted trim there, so that is the journal. Like I said, I will put a link below to Tsunami Rose and go and check this new kit out if you haven't already. I do know that it's one of her largest kits, and this will be listed on my Etsy if anyone's interested. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.